A delicious and easy form of protein is a boiled egg. You can eat it by itself, on toast, or over a salad. All you need is an egg, a small pot, and water. Step 1. Fill your pot with water about 2/3 of the pot, which should be filled, enough to cover the egg. Place the pot on the stove. Then gently place the egg in the pot of water. You don't want it to crack as you place it in the pot. Then turn the stove on. My stove is gas, but yours may be electric. If you have a gas stove, make sure it ignites. Turn the knob to high and wait for the water to come to a boil. You will see bubbles when the water starts to boil. Once the water is boiling, you can turn the temperature of the stove down just below high. Once the water is boiling, put a timer on for 10 minutes. Remember, never leave the stove on unattended. Also, boiling water can be dangerous, so make sure there is nothing around you that can trip you over, or no young kids. The handle of the pot can get hot, so use an oven mitt to prevent burning your hand. When your timer goes off at 10 minutes, the first thing to do is switch off the stove. Carefully move the pot of boiling water to the sink and pour the boiling water out into the sink, keeping the egg in the pot. Fill the pot with cold water to cool the egg. Then let the egg sit in the cold water for about 3 to 5 minutes so the egg is cool enough to handle. Carefully remove the egg with tongs or a spoon. Now you crack the eggshell and peel the egg to eat it. If there are pieces of shell stuck to the egg, you can rinse it under water. Eggs are delicious by themselves or on toast. Remember to always clean up your dishes and put them away. Enjoy!